Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy, and my goal here is to help you to be front of house ready for your worship services. A while back, I did the amp styled for Sunday video, made that pack available for HX Stomp, and I went over 6 amps that I have identified in the recordings for songs that I'm covering, and put them together as individual amps as well as dual amp combinations, the way that I've been using them on Sundays. And for that, the video, the amps were AC30, AC30 Fawn, Matchstick Channel 1, Super Reverb, Deluxe Reverb, and Fender Tweed Deluxe. So I haven't built that out yet for Helix, but I do have that on the docket, so it will be happening soon. And with the last day or so that I have with the Helix Stadium, I wanted to put this video together to share how those tones turned out on that platform. So I've had this since June. I've got some presets dialed in for songs available on the site now, as well as this pack, amp styled for Sunday, and they are using almost all Agoura amps. So this one has only 5 amps. There are 6 included in the download, but I only used 5 mixed in for those dual amp setups. And they are the AC30, the Matchstick Channel 1, and Super Reverb, Deluxe Reverb, and the Tweed Deluxe. And that Tweed Deluxe, they don't have that yet for Agoura, so it is the older Helix platform or circuit, or however you would call it. But it's that old way of dialing things in. It's got the same setup. So I included that because that amp pairs really well with the Matchstick Channel 1, and it's what I use when I play Gretsch. That guitar through that amp combination just sounds great. So I've got each of those amps dialed in, and then I have the combinations, including TweedMatch, Tweed Deluxe and the Matchless, the Match30, Matchless and an AC30, Super 30, and a Deluxe 30. And so I'm going to be sharing those sound samples with you here today. I've just got a little bit of a riff that I played through going through the, 5 of the snapshots. So the snapshots on that one are amps, and it's just the amps with no drives. There's a little bit of delay, a little bit of reverb. Drive, which adds the KWB drive. And I have that set just with the lightest bit of drive. It's just doing a little bit of something. It's just a step up from the clean amps. And then we have Crunch, which adds the prize drive, which is an ODR-1. And then I have a Klon lead that adds the Minotaur. And then up on the top left, we've got the TS lead, which is the Tube Screamer. So you'll probably like one more than the other, but I wanted to set them both up and give you the option to pick the one that you liked. The effects don't have any changes throughout the snapshots. It's just whether the effect is on or not. So you can dump that and put something else, whether you like or don't like a Klon or a Tube Screamer. Swap it out for something else. And then the top row of snapshots wraps up with a trem, a chorus wash, which is like just kind of like a swell with just a little bit less mix, and then a swell with trem. And you can hit the stomp A/snapshot and turn stuff on or off, whatever you like, and then save it, and you'll be good to go. All right, let's hear it. We're going to go ahead and go through them in order. So it'll be the AC30, Matchstick Channel 1, Super Reverb, Deluxe Reverb, Tweed Deluxe, TweedMatch, Match30, Super 30, and Deluxe 30. All right, let's hear it. hope you found this one helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. And whether I did or I didn't cover it, let us know what your favorite Agoura amp is on the new Stadium. We'd love to know. If you're interested, this pack will be available at a link in the description box below. There's also the Sunday Starter Pack that has a free presets, as well as some PDF documents for HX Stomp, Helix, and Stadium. All right, hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.